Today we're going to be talking about the KLAKEN J150 Solace knife. Let's get into it. You've got orange G10 handles. I really like the way this thing is so heavy duty. It's very nice. It feels like you've got something fairly substantial in your hand. You're going to have a 3.54 inch D2 blade. You're going to have ball bearings on this one with orange G10 liners or handle scales. It does have all metal liners, and you can see that it aligns nicely. You may see KLAKEN use different product names depending on the marketplace, but the model number we're reviewing today is the J150. Again, a 3.54 inch D2 blade, G10 handles, and this one actually has a ball bearing pivot system. Some of their blades have ceramic. This has a ball bearing pivot system. And I've got to say, you're probably not losing this orange one in the woods, which is awesome. But color isn't why I'm reviewing it. I want to know how the knife actually performs. And really, for a ball bearing system, this thing is incredibly smooth. All KLAKEN knives come with a product insert card with a warranty, some maintenance tips, microfiber cleaning cloth. I love this squid Kraken-like logo. That's nice. Sheath, just your standard nylon sheath. Velcro attachment. You can see the D2 stamping. And like I said, it's got full steel liner locks. The action is smooth, extremely smooth. Listen to that lockup. That's not assisted opening. That's not anything else. That's just me using the flipper on the back. The bearings are giving this knife a smooth, fast deployment without needing a lot of effort, which is cool. Here's the centering on the knife I received that I actually purchased. They did not send me this. And here's our lockup again. Wow, that is a strong lockup. For the price point of this knife, this is an awesome little EDC. You got this beautiful polished pocket clip here. The pocket clip on this one is not reversible. You can see you've got an orange spacer here on the back that feels like a polymer, but you do have these really nice and relatively thick steel frame here, which is nice. Sometimes they try to make EDC knives a little too lightweight, and they'll just put like the G10 handle scales. They'll actually make that, you know, the largest part of the frame, but these are full steel across, which is really great for durability and strength. That is a very respectable action for such an inexpensive EDC knife. The bearings are giving this a smooth, fast deployment without needing a lot of effort. Just flick the little thumb stud or the little flipper down. The handle is lightweight enough. The G10, you can see it's texturized there. Gives you plenty of traction. And at this size, it still feels like a practical everyday carry knife rather than something that's oversized. Let's check the factory edge test. I did not do any sharpening whatsoever. This is straight out of the packaging for this knife. You can see that D2 blade just zips through our paper. And let's test it on a little cardboard. It's going to be a little bit tougher. Yeah, that's pretty clean. Pretty clean cuts. And we'll test it on a zip tie here as well. Let me get a good grip on this. Cut our thick zip tie. Oh, like butter. Let's see if I can hold on to it and go through a couple. These are a little hard to hold on to. Yep. Cut through our thick double stack of zip ties. Check the edge. Check the edge again. Yep, still sharp. Wow. That is a nice little D2 EDC blade. I like that a lot. Especially for the price point. Wow. I was not very familiar with KLAKEN before. I got a couple of their knives just to test out, see what they were about. You can see how it cut easily through our cardboard, easily through our paper. And so really, that's what matters, right? Specifications are great, but an EDC knife needs to actually perform normal utility tasks. With D2 steel, G10, handles, scales, bearing action, and a 3.54 inch blade, the KLAKEN J150 gives you a lot of utility without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for an affordable EDC folder, this is a good one. I'm Justin with Survival Reviews. That's the KLAKEN J150, and I'll keep putting this one to work. Check out the link below.